am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel 1G Regional Restaurant. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. I am also handling many students courses on PSN, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. Please add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your weekly quizzes and add me for your complete course. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade and you will be free from this course. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is Excel 1G Regional Restaurant. You can see this title and here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Then question number 1 is that start Excel, open the file name student Excel 1G Regional Restaurant XLS download with this project. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson Lab dashboard. You can see this my Excel workbook. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Now moving on question number 2. Change the theme to integral. Set the width of column A to 80 pixel and then width of column B to 110 pixel. If any column are too narrow to display all the data, apply autofit to the column. You can see this question. If the theme is not available, browse for the download themes file integral themes. Okay, first we will change the themes to integral and then second is that set the width of column A to 80 pixel. Okay. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and then we will change the theme to integral. Go to the page layout group, go to the themes. Okay, go to the page layout tab and then go to the themes and then we will apply integral themes in the themes group. Now set the width of column A to 80 pixel and then width of column B to 110 pixel. Okay, first we will set the column width of column A to 80 pixel. We will select column A and then we will set 80 pixel. Okay, now and the column B to 110 pixel. Now width of column B to 110 pixel. Column B to 110. Here is 110. Okay. Column with 110. Okay, and column D to 110. Okay, column B to 110. Pixel. Column F to 110 pixel. Column G to 110 pixel. Okay, this is good. Now I have done this question very well. I have set the width of column A to 110. Okay, column B to 110 pixel, B to sorry. If any column are too narrow to display all the data, apply autofit to the column. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on question number 3. I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 3 is that merge and center the title across the range A1 to H1 and then apply the title cell style. Merge and center the subtitle across the range A2 to I2 and then apply the heading 1 cell style. Basically in this question, first we will select this range column A2 A1 to H1, and then we will merge and center the title across the range A1 to H1. Okay, select this range A1 to H1. Go to the home tab. In the alignment group, go to the merge and center, apply merge and center. Now and then apply the title cell style. Go to the home tab. In the style group, apply title cell style. Okay, go to the style group, click on cell style, and then we will apply title 1 cell style. Title cell size. Okay, sorry, title cell style. Merge and center the subtitle across the range A2 to H2, and then apply the heading 1 cell style. First we will select this range A2 to H2. Okay, go to the cell style, and then we will apply title cell style and merge and center the title. Go to the alignment tab and then apply merge and center. Okay, and then apply the heading 1 cell style on this range. Go to the style group, apply go to the cell style, and then click on heading 1 cell style. Now moving on question number 4. Select the 7 column title, apply center formatting, and then apply the heading 4 cell style. Okay, select the 7 column title. Then we will apply center formatting and then apply the heading 4 cell style. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, and then select the 7 column title. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. 7 column title, select the 7 column title. Okay, this is 7 column title. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will select the 7 column title and then apply center formatting. Go to the home tab. In the alignment group, apply center formatting. Apply center formatting and then go to the cell style and then apply heading 4 cell style. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen, and you will done your assignment by watching this video. By using the quick analysis tool, sum the quarter 1 sales and then copy the formula across for the remaining quarter. The quick analysis tool format total in bold. Simply we will use quick analysis tool and then sum the quarter 1 sales and then copy the formula. Okay, we will select column quarter 1 sales and then using quick analysis tool quarter 1 sale. Okay, right click on this on quick analysis, click on totals, click on sum. Okay, total sales of quarter 1 will be found in cell B7 and then apply the bold. Okay, go to the select this cell B7 and then go to the home tab and then apply bold in the font group. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on next question. I have done this question very well. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. And if you do not able to do this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course and you will be free from this course. Now select the north sale for the 4th quarter B4 to E4 and then display the quick analysis tool gallery. Click or select the second sum option, the 6th item in the gallery, which display the column selection in yellow. Copy the formula down through cell F7. Okay, select the north sale for the 4th quarters B4 to E4 and then display the quick analysis tool gallery. Click the select the second sum option, the 6th item in the gallery. Okay, we will select north sales. Okay, we will select this B4 to E4 and then display the quick analysis tools gallery. Okay, click on totals, click on totals, and then click the selected the second sum option to 6 atom in the gallery. 6 atom in the will display the column selection. 6 atom in the gallery. Okay, this is good now. Then copy the formula down through cell F7. Copy the formula down through F7. Okay, I have done this question very well. Please follow my video and you will done this question. This is good. Now moving on question. Next question is question number 8. Question number 7, sorry. Apply the counting number format to the first row of sales figure and then total row. Apply the comma style to the remaining sale figure. Format the total in row 7 with the total cell style. Increase the column width as needed. Okay. Simply, we will apply the counting number formats to the first row of sale figure. Okay. We will apply counting number format to the first row of sale figure column and to the total row. Then apply the comma style to the remaining sales figure. Okay, please follow my video, and if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me. I will do this complete assignment for you. Apply the counting number format to the first row of sale figure, and to the total row. Okay, select the first sale figure and apply counting number format and to the total row. We will apply counting number format on this to the total row. Okay, this is good now. And then apply the comma style to the remaining sale figure. Okay, remaining sale figure we will apply comma style. Okay, we will select remaining sale figure and then we will apply comma style in the number group. Okay, format the total in row 7 with the total cell style. Okay, format the totals in row 7 with the total cell style. We will select row 7 and then go to the style group, go to the cell style, and then we will apply total cell style. Select row 7, totals in the row 7. Okay, we will select these totals in row 7. Here is row 7, we will select total, go to the style group, in the cell style apply total cell style. Okay, then increase the column width as needed. Okay, you can see I have done 7 questions of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do your complete course with A+ grade, all assignments, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm and final with A+ grade. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities like economics, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to all students. Thank you so much.